Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. I'm making this a small video as a weekly recap and all the trades taken with this system, Magic Ivy system. So let's get started. Week started on the 19th. It was actually Sunday, but the market opens up on Sunday. So on the 19th, I had a couple of these trades, which was, the entry was from last week, last Friday, but I closed on the 19th. And there is a reason, so I'll show you what was the reason. So Euro Yen 20-minute chart. Here the entry 65 pip, sell order, and SL move to break even. Each and every one of these trades, you see this one buy, and then this one, all of them you can see it's exactly by the setup. Nothing in random. Everything has to be the setup. Setup has to be there exactly. 4 conditions. And only then I pull the trigger. And the setup and these conditions, they happen all the time in every single pair. So 19, this is what it is. On the 19th, again, Aussie Yen, also all Yen pair were dropping. So I got this one as well. It's for 75 pip, sell order here, right? And then on the 20th, pound CAD, 50 pip to the upside, long trade, just the opposite of the short. All the the conditions reversed. This indicates all the way down. Yellow is above the black. Price making higher low. Red candle turns into blue. So now on the 20th again, EURCAD, same condition, same setup. Buy order here for 90 pip. And then from the 21st, you can see pound yen again. Yen pair were going down, and right there is the weekly TL. So that's why I stopped it at 65 pip. I was expecting a bounce from here, which happened. So I'm going to show you later. So 21st, this is what happened. Sell order here for another 65 pip to the downside. On the 22nd now, EuroCAD, this is the one. And I had several other, but let me show you. I think I have 2 on record. So sell order here and sell break, move to break even, and you can see the by the book setup and 50 pip, right? But this went up and then gave me another setup and a 90 pip trade. Let me show it to you later on. Now pound CAD did the same thing because CAD was getting strong. So this was again, like I said, that it was on the 21st and closed on 22nd, 2 days worth of the game, and beautiful plus 100 plus pip, right? And you can see it's all there. My order is there before I close my trade. I always take the pick so that you can see the order was placed according to the setup. See the blue candle turn red. As soon as I had a couple of red candles, yellow is below the black. This indicates all the way up, coming down. Price has met lower high, and after a reversal candle and a couple of red candles, I open the trade. And then when it drops considerably, then I come and sit and break even. Another EURCAD. Remember this one I just showed you a little while ago? The second one, it just retraced and gave me another same kind of setup. Beautiful by the book, actually, right? So yellow is below the black, all of that conditions here. And couple of red candles, I open the trade. Boom, 90 pip on the 23rd. Now another pound yen. Now you see, last pound yen we saw that it was coming down here, so it was a weekly TL there. I'll show you later, and then it started to bounce from that weekly TL and it started to go up. So pound yen. In fact, this is because of the yen index. If I have the chart, I'll show it to you. Yen index reversing from a TL and going up. When yen index goes up, all yen pair goes up. So on the 23rd, pound yen long. 23rd, Aussie yen long, again the same thing because of the yen weakness, yen turning. And then euro Aussie on the 23rd went down for 95 pip, but this you can see euro yen as well to the long side for 65 pip. So euro yen, Aussie yen, and pound yen. I took these 3 trades, but you can go and take a look on the 23rd. All yen pair went up. Why? Because let me show it to you if I have the chart here. All because of that. Okay, now look at this. This weekly chart I made on the 22nd of February 2021. This is the TL. So I said that from here, we might be going towards this area, 58.08 or 58.56, somewhere there, and then we'll make the turn to the downside back to this teal, and then obviously bounce and go up, because the wave count is like wave 1, 2, 3 will finish around here, and then wave 4 will come down here, and then wave 5 will rise again. Look what happened to this chart as of today, or yesterday, actually on the 5th. This is on the 5th from 22nd. Actually, this is not 22nd, but on February, right? That's when it was there. So it went up, as I said, right? It is little shy of 58.08. Then it came down exactly as I said, that the rising teal. Actually, the current chart is this. You can see that blue rising teal. So it came back, hit, bounce again, and then came back one more time. Usually it does that. And then now it's going up. So I made another chart that is going to go up. So February this year to September, I'm right on track with this yen index. Now, yen index coming down, all yen pair goes down. Yen index going up, all yen pair goes up. That's the rule of thumb. So now it's rising, and you can see, you just saw that, only on Thursday, I had 3 trades on the long side: pound yen, Aussie yen, euro yen, and they will be going long as soon as we break this teal. If we break this teal and continue, if I'm right, then we have a lot of pippage coming in yen pairs. Okay, so be ready. I'll be ready. This indicates all the way down. So weekly chart is set up to bounce, and I already have 3 trades, more than 200 pips. Okay, this is how good it is if you watch the index. And I have a US dollar index, euro index, pound index, Aussie dollar index, Canadian dollar index, separate indexes undercover. I watch them, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, what's happening, and I can pretty much predict 90% of the time the right direction. And according to that, I trade my pairs. Very easy if you pay attention. So now on, you will see that I'll take only long in yen pairs. All right? Next week, I'll show you more long. Once in a while, I try to, cash out some retracement as well. If it's a big retracement, I see, back to 61%. Yeah. Okay. After a strong resistance, of course. But this one now, it's ready to bounce, and it's going to bounce into this area before retrace a little bit. Only then yen pairs will drop. Other than that, yen pairs are going up. All right. So this is how it is. Just wanted to share with you guys. So there is it. So I'll talk to you guys later. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system and learn how to trade like that, go on my website, subscribe, and take it from there. My website is where? Is here. All right. So this is my website. Just go, and then you can see here current trades, previous trades, and then you can go here, monthly subscription. Years of trades there, years of, okay, not only week or month, several years. You will see all this. You see that? Oh man, how do I? Okay, here you see that. You see how many trades? This is when? This is April 2020, and every single trade is according to the setup. Nothing random that I just go long or short. No, my setup, it has a couple of rules, and that 4 conditions, that those conditions have to be there if I pull the trigger. You see that? All of these are with the setup. All of these trade shorts with the setup. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.